Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody watching is having a great day. Today we're back with another episode of 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. This is where I give you a quick review of a shoe that I picked up in under 1 minute. I'll put a link to my last episode up on the screen right here if you want to go and check it out. Make sure you also check out my Instagram if you want to see any of my shoe posts before anybody else does. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Alright, let's go.
Let's go.
Today we're taking a look at a shoe that isn't new, but it's new for me. The Jordan Retro 1 Low 85 in neutral gray. This shoe was released on November 23rd, 2023 at a retail price of $160. The Air Jordan 1 Retro Low 85 OG neutral gray brings back an original colorway in the historically accurate 85 cut with a white leather upper and gray swoosh branding. A Nike AirTag decorates the breathable nylon tongue, while the iconic Wings logo appears on the back tab. A vintage off-white finish is applied to the midsole, featuring a stitched sidewall construction and an air sole heel unit encapsulated in lightweight polyurethane. As great as the shoe is, the resale sadly doesn't reflect the shoe's quality. Currently, most sizes are selling below retail, which is terrible for resellers, but great if you want a pair for the toes. Personally, I grabbed these for my toes, and I can't wait to wear them. Well, this has been 1 Minute Sneaker Reviews. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for all of your support, and have a great day.